Assalamualaikum and good afternoon to my lecturers and to all my friends. In this video, I'm going to present the presentation for case study in industrial management. Before that, I'm going to introduce myself. I am Aiman Zuhakim bin Muhammad Nudin, matrix number 06DKM19F1017, and this is my teammate Putri Nushwada, Anisha Fika, and Muhammad Arif. In this presentation, I will present and I will show you our company's name first. This is our company names. Keropok Lekor Sdn.Bhd. We produce a Keropok Lekor. Our company produce food, and along with that is our company image. Before that, I wanted to walk through to our company goals or objective. And the first one is giving satisfaction to customers is our top priority. It is important to make sure that our customer is satisfied with our product. And because of that, we want to keep that momentum for our ratings, company ratings, and to our sales. The second is we want to produce halal guarantee product as well as corporate and individual services to customer without getting tired. We will make sure the quality of the product has halal guarantee that can be eaten and suitable for all kind of different religion, especially in Malaysia. The third one is we will ensure our products are of high quality. We also ensure that our product use premium materials so that the lifespan of the product can last longer. As we know, in this food industry, some of the company that produce food doesn't have the skills to make the food last longer and to maintain the quality of the food. So don't worry, in our company we will make sure and we have the skills to make our food quality as premium it is, and to have the food last longer. In our company organization chart, the first role is CEO. It holds by the name of Putri Nushwada. Along with that, we have the manager. It is Anisha Fika, and her assistant Muhammad Arif as co-manager. And below that, we have four positions that left. The first is finance. It is me, Aiman Zuhakim. The second, marketing, Kairina Ristina. Management, Adib Aiman. Supervisor, Muhammad Shazwan. And operator leader, Muhammad Helmi.
Hello, I'm Putri Nushwada. I will continue the presentation and I will tell more about introduction to product. So the product that I will choose is Keropok Lekor Losong. The operation machine that we will need is first, door vertical machine. It is for making a door. Second is forming machine. It is for making shape of Keropok Lekor. The third one is steamer machine. For it will be used for boiling process, and the fourth one is slicer machine. This machine will be used in cutting process, and the last one is sealer machine. It will be used in packaging process. Next is ingredients that our Keropok Lekor needs is fish. Any types of fish can be used for this Keropok Lekor, but the mostly types of fish is kembung, selayang, parang, and tamban. Next, we will need wheat flour, salt, baking powder. So for the manufacturing process, first we need to clean the fish and separate the fish fillets with the bones. Next, we will produce dough. For this process, we just put all the ingredients into the vertical dough machine. After that, the resulting dough is put into the forming machine, and Keropok Lekor that have been formed are put into a steamer for the boiling process, and Keropok Lekor that have been boiled will be put into a slicer machine for cutting purpose. The last process, the cut Keropok Lekor will be packed in plastic packaging for sale. So I will pass the presentation to my group member, Ari.
Okay, for the plan location, as you can see, we choose a quite strategic place for our business, which is in Negeri Sembilan, Seremban, in Mukim Jemaah. So the reason that we choose this place is it is easy access to KLIA and Seremban KL highway, which gonna make our delivery faster and easier. Other than that, it is easier for retailer to reach us because this area is easy to access for them. Other than that, the factory is quite spacious for our business to run smoothly, and it's easier for our transportation to access in and out for delivery. And finally, the factory area is a new area, and it's very clean and there is no any problem at the moment.
To continue the presentation just now, I'm Anisha Fika binti Abdul Khalid, matric number 06EKM19F1059. Will explain in more detail about the plan layout. As shown, you can see some of the pictures and symbols that I will describe. I will start from the top. There are two entrances. The right side is the emergency door. The purpose is for an exit road during an emergency, while on the left is the entrance and exit part, and there is an fire integration next to it. Here there are two offices. The office on the right is the office for more activities to the factory internal activities. The office located on the left is for raw material management and production. Both of these offices have fire extinguisher that will be used in the event of a fire. In this layout, we provide two toilets, one at the top and one at the bottom. This is to make it easier for workers and staff to use it. To make it easier for workers to get in and out, on the left and the right side of the factory, there are two entrances and exits. At both doors, there is a fire extinguisher and a first aid. First aid is used in the event of an accident or non-serious injury. Now, I will explain the numbers box. It is the process of making Keropok Lekor. Number 1 is the process of cleaning the fish. The second is the segregation of fish fillets. Third, dough income. The fourth is the process of forming Keropok Lekor. The fifth is the process of boiling keropok lekor. The 6 is the process of cutting keropok lekor, while the 7 is the process of inserting keropok lekor into plastic, and the last is the vacuum and plastic sealer. After the keropok lekor is ready to be packaged, it will be stored in the frozen store, while for items to make keropok lekor will be stored in the dry store. Next to the store, there is a delivery door that facilitates the delivery of goods in and out. There is also a fire extinguisher and an emergency door. In essence, as a wrap-up of all that has been said above, as a representative of the group members, I would like to express my thousands of thanks.